To pre-qualify a borrower, there's a number of ways you can do this. You can either have them, you can interview them face-to-face and complete an application physically. You can have them complete the application over the phone. You can have them complete the application online or on their phone. I like to send a link and have the borrower complete the information online and on their, or either on their smartphone. If we do that, for example, we'd have a situation like this. The borrower, let's say it's me, and we have a subject property of TBD, which is going to be to be determined. The loan program is going to be a conventional loan. This is going to be a purchase. We're trying to get a loan approval. The occupancy is going to be a primary residence. The loan amount is $304,000, and we don't have a rate yet because we're pre-qualifying for the loan. The FICO score or middle credit score is 709. The LTV is 95%, and the CLTV is 95%. The DTI right now is 0 or 0.5663, simply because there's information missing on the application. So if we go ahead and click here where it says borrower, ask for the borrower's information. We're going to enter the borrower's information, their general information, their name, their address, social security number, where their living history. Then we're going to enter the property address information, in which case today it's going to be the same as above, the TBD. Their income, we're going to click on that, and then it's going to enter, you're going to enter the borrower's income. Their expenses, this is usually what they pay in mortgage payment right now, or their current rent. Assets, this is going to be how much they have in a bank account that they have saved. Liabilities is whatever the credit report shows in terms of what they owe, and this will automatically populate when they accept the pull credit, to have their credit pulled. The transaction, go ahead and have a detailed explanation of what the transaction would look like in terms of the purchase, the down payment, the closing costs. Declarations, they need to do all the declarations that appear on the 1003 that we already saw before. If they've had any judgments, if they have any lawsuits pending, if they're U.S. citizens, if they had a bankruptcy in the last 7 years, and some of the other questions that are normally asked. For monitoring, this is the government monitoring questions. The borrower can choose to answer those questions or not. Besides that, when we click on credit, it's going to ask if the borrower wants to accept their credit being pulled, and they need to say yes. And then when they're done, they're going to click submit. You'll receive the application, and with that application, you can get started with the remainder of the loan process.